The bicep muscle allows you to bend your elbow. The flexing and the relaxation of the muscle helps you bend your elbow. The bicep muscle is located at your upper arm. The muscle has a long head and a short head, and the bicep originates at the scapula and attaches to the radius. The common name for this muscle is biceps, but the scientific name is biceps brachii. The muscle that works in opposition is the tricep. The tricep and the bicep allow you to bend and straighten your arm. When bending the arm, the bicep flexes and the tricep relaxes. And when straightening the arm, the tricep flexes and the bicep relaxes. One exercise for the bicep is the bicep curl. You can use your body weight, or you could also use weights, such as dumbbells or barbells. When using dumbbells, you can alternate each arm, or you can do both arms at the same time. When using the barbell, make sure you're slowed and controlled, and always make sure that the weight is just right for you. Don't move your body when lifting the dumbbells. This is not using your arm muscle, and it could even cause injuries. When doing bicep curls, make sure that your body is straight and still, and only use your arms to lift the dumbbells. To do this exercise, grab 2 dumbbells, a barbell, or you can use your leg and body weight. Then start at a position where your back is straight up and your arms are straightened out. Then bend your elbow while grabbing the weight firmly. Then try not to use your back to bend your elbow, and then straighten your arm and repeat again. One exercise that could be more challenging is bicep circles, where you move your arm in a circular motion. One exercise that can be less challenging is the decline push-up. Just put your legs on a ledge so your body is declined, and then do push-ups. You could also do incline push-ups or wall push-ups. After doing a couple, it could still be intense. One dynamic stretch is the shoulder stretch. Even though it says shoulders, it can still stretch the bicep. Just put your arms together and then straighten them out facing up. Hold this position for about 20 seconds. One dynamic stretch is bicep extensions, where you bend your elbow and then you straighten them out. Having strong biceps can be used every day, such as lifting heavy boxes. Have a nice day and a wonderful winter break.